Okay, my friends, it is gonna be a hot one today. It's gonna be well into the hundreds today. We are going to Mocan for their bracket race. That's right, gonna be in 2 classes a day. If you watched that last video in Tulsa, hey, congrats. Anyway, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get started. Truck is already hooked up to the trailer, get ready to pull out of here. Just have to get the golf cart in the trailer. I'm gonna get on down here, and I will have a special guest with me today. You'll see him in the video here shortly. So with that, let's get the day started. Yep, okay, we're heading to Mocan. Special guest, I don't know who he is, but now it's my joke. That's my cousin. There we go. I'm going to say aunt, uncle, but no, it's my cousin. He's all the way from Pennsylvania. So anyway, glad he's with us. He's going to be in for an experience. So anyway, like I said, 2 classes going to be in today, No E and Super Pro. It is going to be a hot one up here today, and my temperature gauge on my truck showing 88, which there's no way it's 88. So anyway, it's supposed to be what, 100 and something?
Yeah, 100 something. Is it hot that high?
Hope not. Anyway, I'm going to start heading the track, but you know we're going to stop on the way. So with that, let's get going, get to the track, and get to our famous stop. So here we go. Okay guys, we did make it. My dad and my cousin is up there getting their order in at Sonic. And I noticed a bunch of clouds out here. Hopefully that goes away fairly soon. As it heads to the east, it is getting less and less. Hopefully that will just go north of the track right now. I think it's look like it is going to go north of the track, but we just have to be on the lookout for it. So anyway, I think the track or the race is still on. There's no reason why we would cancel it right now. So anyway, we're gonna get our Sonic and reveal the bag. Hopefully it's still dishing out the summer bag, so we'll see. Yeah, that's gonna be warm. Okay, here they come. I'm not sure what they're pointing at. Maybe someone dropped some food on the ground. But anyway, they're on the way back. Looks like there's only 1 bag. So, looks like a bigger bag than normal. Not sure, but we'll see what it looks like here in a minute. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, you're gonna like this one. That cannot be the right one. Oh my gosh. Sonic. Man, you're out of Sonic or summer bags. Man, they threw us right back in Christmas. Holy fright. And I like the bag just because. You're right, just because. But let me tell you what, it might be a winter bag, but what's inside is not, it's not winter food. That's for sure. I guess it could be, but man. Oh well, let's get the onion rings out. That's what we got. But yeah, God, I'm still. It's funny. Okay, next stop the track. Here we go. Well, as you can see on the truck gauge, it shows 99 degrees. I'm sure it's a heck of a lot hotter outside than that, what it feels like. Anyway, we are made it to Mocan. Everybody's, not everybody's here yet, but a lot of people got the cars out and stuff. So, although it doesn't look like a lot of people, it does not surprise me because of the number of, or the heat. So, anyway, let's get inside, pay the lady, and get things set up.
Right, Joe, it was all full of campers.
Yeah, it's empty today. No campers, just a line to get in. Guys, we are already getting ready to go north of here. There's a chance of rain heading this way. Huge problem if it comes. It's gonna be really muggy. So, see, it's getting darker. Yuck. We're under a rain delay. Ever so slightly sprinkling. Water on the car. Are you hungry?
I'm getting there. Why?
Oh, okay. Just wondering. Concession?
Have a little snack.
Okay. It's always the concession stand. You want to wait till later on. Okay, guys. First round's coming up. Of no E, I do have a 668 on it. So we'll go with that. Not too sure who I have right now. Soon find out coming up here in a few minutes. Okay, I got a 650 for 68. Okay, we'll see what the tree is. It just didn't feel good for some stupid reason. Thank you. That's pretty good. 23 light. He had a 35, so I had him on the tree. Oh shit. I got there way ahead of him. 03. Gotta look at the cam on that one. I whomped it one time. Off dial, 004. He ran 2 off. Okay, this is round 1 of Super Pro coming up. That last round of no E, man, 03 stripe I had on him, but I could have swore he was up a lot closer than that. If not, I would have whomped it even more, unless he just dumped it right at the end. Won't know until we look at the footage. But yeah, great light, 23 to his 35. And it just broke out, ran a 67. So you know what I'm doing with this one, running a 67 on it. So just smack that tree and turn the light on. I think I got a door car, not a dragster, but usually the door cars here are pretty damn fast. So something different. That one's going to go red. Oh yeah. 008. Good light. Okay guys, on that Super Pro, great light, 008 light, dead on my dial. Ran a 67 on a 67. Probably took a little bit too much more stripe on it, but anyway, we got a 67 on this one. So here we go. I got Mr. Walker. Okay, 667 and 699, so it's gonna be a close race here. She spun hard. That's frustrating right there. Okay guys, round 2 Super Pro coming up. I'm leaving a 667 on it. 682 on that no E, spinning at the line. Full 149 60 foot, terrible light, but some of that was related to spinning at the line. Good job, buddy, Mr. Walker, put me in my place. But there might be a solution coming, so more of that coming later. So anyway, here we go, round 2 Super Pro coming up. One thing about it, I need to get those windows replaced next year. I can't, it's hard to see out of, especially at night. It's like a haze. I got Mr. Rutledge. Okay, 667 to a 481. Holy fright. Something happened to the car. I lost oil. I lost oil or something. It blew up or something. I'm not sure what happened. I lost power. Let me see if I can start it. It's dead. Fuck. Well, guys, we are actually getting towed back. Mr. Rutledge, the guy who I raced against. Yep, he's towing me back. Man, that really sucked. I'm not too sure what I hurt now. So we'll find more when we get back to pit possible. We probably won't find anything more until maybe tomorrow. So anyway, it might be done for the year. I really don't know. Well, not a good night. I don't think the motor's hurt. We think the ignition just went out on it, but we had another box here, which we were ready to replace. I had a spare, because we had the ignition problems before and never had a spare box, but we stuck the spare box on it, same thing. We have oil pressure, the motor turns over fine, it just doesn't fire. So with that, it's got to be either one of the sensors, crank or cam. So, and I don't have my laptop here to troubleshoot it. So now the fun task is get it up here on the trailer.
Back up to it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're not gonna
Get the winch
do
out.
from that. Yep. Or we can just push it. Oh, winch back in. Thanks, Joe. Pops is on the ground, passed out. Hey, he's just waking up. There we go.
On the tree.
Turn that down. That's not for me because I'm not in the race. Anyway, hope you can see me. If not, I think you can. We are done. The car is done. I don't think it's done officially, but I think it's ignition related. We'll find out more later on. Anyway, with that, what the heck? I don't think we need that.
I want to make sure they see your
Oh, they can see me.
losing face.
No, it's a losing face. Oh my gosh. I didn't lose the race, but car lost the race that time. The driver's good. We had a decent light that Super Pro round. I think John had a 008. I think I had a, what was it, a 13 or 15?
13, I think it was.
So we're within a few thousandths of his. It'd been a good race. I think the car would have ran its number until, you probably already saw in the video how it cut out, how I was panicking and all that stuff. So anyway, it is what it is. I got a hamburger for the trip home, some sweet tea. It is almost 11 o'clock. We're out of here. So with that, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit that like. I have to thank my cousin Joe helping out tonight. I probably can't see him. Anyway,
That's good.
yeah, that's good. So with that, until the next race, I'll push out a video after this race to give you an update what's going on. I mean, if you're on my Instagram, I'll probably push it out there before you see it on the video. So anyway, with that, I'm out of here until the next time. Uh-oh.